Welcome to the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering of SRIST Govindu. SRIST stands for Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology, one of the many institutes under the SBIST Trust established in the year 2010. We are approved by AICTE New Delhi and WBSAT and VNSD Kolkata. Our aim is to provide quality technical education along with the development of leadership among the students in the society. Our aim is to provide excellence in education. Over the 3 years of the diploma course, the students learn the various subjects of electronics and telecommunication engineering, apart from the basic subjects like physics, chemistry, and mathematics that help them to apply their ideas in various innovative systems as well as work as a part of team or as an educator or a researcher in future. Our faculty team has some of the best teachers that we could find all around with experience of several years, the HOD being Abhishek Das, who has an MTech degree and rigorous experience of more than 9 years in the academics. We follow the examination system given to us by WBSCT for the full-time diploma course in the form of theoretical assessment and lab assessment. The theoretical assessment is divided into several parts as the internal followed by the written semesters. The lab assessment is also as follows. You can visit all our curricular structure and syllabus in our SRIST website or WBSCT website. Our department has also conducted several technical trainings throughout these years of college that has helped the students get a practical idea of the theoretical knowledge. The students have also been certified at the end of the training by our college. We also conduct online classes keeping in mind the recent technology updates. As you can see, Gadgetomaniacs is the annual inter-college technical fest organized by our college. This helps the students to grow their interest in the core subjects of engineering to solve real-life problems as well as work as a part of a team. Every year, ETCE department has gained glory in this Tech Fest and has brought the college various prizes and awards. These are some of the various diverse government sectors that our students are eligible to apply in. Apart from the government sectors, our students are very much eligible to apply in the private sectors of the market as well. These are some of the many students from our department that have got placed in the market throughout the years. Let's hear it from some of our alumni.
Hello everyone, this is Vishant Samanta. I am an alumni of SRIST. I have passed out in the year 2013 as an electronics and telecommunication engineer. Now I am employed in Microsoft Gurgaon. I would like to request each and every one of you to come and join SRIST because here you will get the best in class faculties, best in class lab facilities as well as good placement. So why wait? Come and join SRIST.
Hi, this is Neha. I am 2015 EC pass out. I find SRIST teachers the most amazing and the supportive ones.
Hello everyone, my name is Shuman Kanjilal and I am the alumni of SRIST ETC department. I have passed out in the year of 2016. On behalf of the alumni of SRIST ETC department, I would like to suggest to all the students to join in the ETC department because there are lots of opportunity to learn about the subjects and there are lots of faculty.
Hi, I'm Deknamal Ghosh. I'm an alumni of SRIST. I was a student of ETC department. Here in EC department, the teachers are too much experienced. They are helpful. It's not about the studies. It's not all about the classrooms and everything. Here, the teacher will help you beyond the college time and everything.
Hello everyone, I'm Shrishta Majumdar. I'm an ex-SRIST student. I belong to the 2018 pass out batch. I'm from ETC department. In this college, all the faculties are very friendly and very supportive. This college also provides a student a very good educational ambience.
নমস্কার, আমি সুদীপ রাজা। আমি শ্রীরামকৃষ্ণ ইনস্টিটিউট অফ সায়েন্স অ্যান্ড টেকনোলজি ইলেকট্রনিক্স অ্যান্ড টেলিকমিউনিকেশন ডিপার্টমেন্টে পড়াশোনা করি। এই 2019 সালে আমি আমার সমস্ত পড়াশোনা সম্পূর্ণ করেছি। এখানের অসাধারণ পরিকাঠামো এবং খুব ভালোভাবে শিক্ষক শিক্ষিকাদের সহযোগিতার মাধ্যমে আমি আমার পড়াশোনা সফল করেছি। এছাড়াও এই কলেজে যে চাকরির যোগাযোগ তা আমার ভবিষ্যতের জন্য খুব কার্যকারী হয়েছে। এবং সর্বশেষ একটিমাত্রই কথা, এই ডিপার্টমেন্ট এবং এই কলেজ আমার কাছে পরিবার সমতুল্য।
Hello everyone, I am Doipayan Chakraborty, a pass out of SRST College 2019 batch from the Department of ETC and currently studying in Jalpaiguri Government Engineering College. All I can say about the department is that it treats its students as a part of the family. The faculties present here not only help the students to have good education but also to be a good human being, a good social being.
Real knowledge, real people, new beginning, endless possibility, electronics telecommunication, just do it.
The admission eligibility of our department is through a JEXPO rank with a minimum marks of 35% in Madhyamik or equivalent examination. For the people without JEXPO, the minimum percentage is 45% in Madhyamik or equivalent examination. You can also enter our department at the second year of diploma course through a valid rank in VOCLIT. You can contact our college by visiting our college's official website or by emailing our principal madam at the given email ID. You can also call our departmental HOD. For admission, contact Mr. Sudip Rajok and Mr. Tanay Chakraborty.